Gary Berger with Berger Law here with my friend Jonathan. Jonathan, how are you?
Very good.
Now, we were friends before, through your mom, before you got in your wreck.
Yes.
Tell everybody here why you're here today.
Well, I'm here because I needed help with a car accident, and I didn't know what to do. I can't represent myself, obviously, so I'm not very good at that. And my mom works for you. Thankfully, it's a very good connection to have.
She's great.
Yeah.
Gabby's great. I've known her for a long time.
Yeah.
And what are you here today to do? You're picking up a check?
Yes.
Did you ever think you'd see this much money in a check in your life?
No. Nope.
All right. And it's tax-free to you. You can put the whole thing in. And what we did in your account, we reduced your liens, and this is your settlement statement, so that's all to you.
Got it.
What do you think?
Thank you so much.
You happy with the result?
Yeah. I didn't know actually how much I was even gonna get. So I'm very thankful for that amount.
Aren't you glad now you wanted to settle for a lesser amount at one point, right?
Yep.
What did we tell you?
You told me that you think you could get a higher number, so that's what you did.
Right.
What you did.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Now I can get a car that's a little more suited to my taste, a little suited to my style. I don't have to worry about
More flashy?
Yes.
Here, hold up your arm. More like sweet, is it like that style, or what are you thinking?
Oh, yeah. Traditional.
Traditional?
Yeah.
Can I tell you 3 things that I found interesting about your case?
Yeah.
All right. Number 1 is that in your deposition, I was like, I don't know how he's going to do. And then remember, you were late. I think you overslept a little bit.
Yeah.
But then we got you on your Zoom deposition. You did amazing.
Mm-hmm.
You really did. Did you know that? I told you that, right?
Yep. I didn't know how I was going to do.
Either did I. And I was like, dude, you crushed it. You sat and you listened and you answered the questions directly. And if you didn't understand, you said, you did. I would say you'd got an A. You got an A in the depo.
Oh, I didn't.
You did great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That really helps.
Yeah. They kept asking me questions, and I'm like, okay, well, she drove in front of me, and I don't know. There's nothing to it. There's really nothing to it.
You nailed it.
Yeah.
And the second thing is that this was you're going straight. She turned in front of you, and then she said that she had a green arrow the whole time. And in fact, her case was settled against your insurance company. Someone else represented her, and that settled a while ago, but we never gave up. I told you, I'll never give up on you, and we filed suit, and we did depositions, and we kept going until we got this good settlement. Mm-hmm. More than you wanted, right? 3 times more than the first offer, right?
Yeah. So
that was good. The facts were good. And you know what the third thing was? It was when I deposed the defendant, one of the questions I asked her, I said, well, if you turned and he immediately hit you and you're sitting there looking that direction the whole time, she goes, yeah. I go, well, help me resolve this inconsistency. How could that happen? How could you be looking and not see him and do it? And you know what her answer was? Her answer was, she turned to her lawyer and said, do I have to, and I'm recording this by video, do I have to answer that question? I need a break. She never answered the question. She took a break. Because it was a good question, right? If that's true, how did she not see it? Right?
Yeah.
Great. Well, hey, thanks a lot, Jonathan, for the opportunity to represent you and land this. We landed this plane. It's been a long time, right? Been a little while? Been a minute?
Yeah.
But we got it. We didn't give up.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Would you recommend Berger Law to your friends and family?
Yep, I would. Yes, I would.
Thank you very much.
No problem.